especially if you are the mechanics who are going to jump into the automotive repairing industry. You must keep on watching the movie. Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel, the best channel for repair shops to talking about marketing, entrepreneur, and management tips. In today's video, I'm going to talk about making the extra money for your repair shop, specifically for the shop owners who just start their own business during these very slow times. We all know the automotive repairing work is a very competitive field and it has its own seasonal cycles. For most of the repairing shop owners, daily they focus on their fixing jobs but have no time to create their marketing plans, which is normal as the repairing job requires lesser focus on the skill. The only downside is whenever the economic is getting weak, the car owner will put off the repairing time and the repair shop will get into the trouble. So in today's video, I want to go over the practical ways that can help you to make the extra money during the very slow time, especially if you are the mechanics who are planning to jump into our auto repairing industry. You must keep on watching the video till the end, because these practical ways will not only help you to get through the difficult times, but also it will shorten your initial stage period. So with that out of the way, let's dive into the video directly. Method number 1, sell your customer's car on consignment. The demands to help customers to sell out their cars do exist. Whenever the car owner that decides to quit repairing their cars, some of them will consider to trade their cars with something new. Likewise, the customers who are seeking for the second-hand cars will prefer to buy from a reputable and trustful repair shops with very strong backup for the future potential car problems. So, why not grab this problem-shooting chance and turn it into the money-making opportunity? You can make a percentage of the sales by giving them the proposal to sell their car on their behalf. Especially now with the platform like eBay or Amazon, it's much easier to sell the used car in recent years. Method number 2, being an affiliate to sell suppliers' parts. Likewise, use the same idea but be affiliate with your car parts suppliers and to sell their parts. Along with your business management experience, you will figure out that the car parts selling can generate a big portion of your revenue. Many car parts wear over time, so it is a must-have business. Example, tires require the regular replacement and same as the brake pad. Timing belt and the timing chain also need to replace periodically. However, blindly pass up the car parts will cause the extra overload pressure to your cash flow. Especially some parts like the rubber tires has its own expiry date. Once it's near the expired time, you will feel the pressure to sell them out with the lower price. So, as we just mentioned in the last video, the overstock cost is the most harmful hidden cost that will damage your cash flow and erosion your profit. So our suggestion here is to talk with your suppliers and to seek for the cooperation with each other. Also, think about if the parts quality is reliable and can be delivered quickly. Take HJL as example. We provide repair shop the sufficient inventory for their demands anytime. We ship globally within 1 to 3 days. Moreover, before or after the shipment, if the parcel has any problems, we provide the online service to help our customers. Moreover, more and more repair shops already join our referral programs. If their customers use their referral coupon code to buy the car parts on HJL Autoparts, not only their customers, but also themselves can get the bonus. So, we sincerely invite you to join our referral program to sell the car parts online without bearing any risk of overstocking. Leave comment below and our teammate will contact with you for the further discussion. Method number 3. Build up the customer relation by offering them the seminars. The customer's trust is earned but not bought. We keep mentioning the importance of the customer relationship, and we keep talking about the handy methods that you can brew it. Hosting the seminar is one of the most useful methods that you can use. You will be very surprised how many of your customers, they don't know how to do the very easy maintenance, such like to check the engine oil level or check the tire pressure. Such the informational seminar itself is the best value-added event that can not only offer the value to your customer but also build up your authority. In between the seminars, it allows your customers to ask the questions they may have. You can also provide them the coupons for the future service or car parts purchase to thank them to join the seminars. All of these are the practical practice to nurture your customers' trust and attention to you. And because of your outreach, you also leave the impression to your customers. So whenever they need the service, they will think of you first. Alright, next. Do you ever wonder how come you have the similar car count and the same technician team mates, but the competitor next door always has the better profit than you? In our next method, let's spend some time on more strategic ideas to find out more profitable service for your repair shops. Method number 4, find out the profitable service. Many of our repair shop customers, they start out their business with offering the limit service. Often, they will start the business with what they are specializing in or they are most interested in. Or they start with the service due to the cost consideration of equipment investment. With the expectation to grow the business, they start to think about to offer more service in order to attract more customers and business. Instead of adding the service blindly or randomly, here is my suggestion that can help you to create your business strategy and shorten the time to grow your business. While the majority of the repair shops wants to be the full spectrum repairing facility, spend some time to think about what service can be more profitable and can grow more customer loyalty and longer retaining. So, to get ready to grow, you should find out what do car owners want, what can your technician do, what new equipment required to your new offer, and find out the profitability by tracking your financial report as we just talking about in the last video. Last, keep building your reputation to keep the profitability. With this strategic thinking and planning, your shop can be more profitable and outstanding from other competitors. If you are new to this industry or you are about to open your new shop, talk to your current customers. Talk to them to find more demands. Ask their experience about the car broken, car maintenance, or any good or bad experience. Ask them if you don't offer what they want to have and listen up to their response. This conversation could be your profit breakthrough idea, and this conversation can build up the solid relationship with your sustainable customers in the future. Meanwhile, in my next video, I will go deep for some specific service that could be your most profitable service consideration. So remember to turn on the notification bell so you can seize our latest useful news from us. Alright my friends, these are today's 4 methods to make extra money for your new repair shop during the slow time. On top of that, the correct mindset is the most important, and that is preparing yourself with growth anytime. And before we say goodbye, I want to share more bonus tips for you to grow your business more profitable. And they are: the number 1, find out what your customers want. Number 2, access the new skill or equipment if needed. Number 3, build up your authority and reputation to keep the profitability. Number 4, keep an eye on your financial report to track your profit. So, if you are curious about how to track your profit analysis or understand more about the hidden costs for a repair shops, please refer to our before video. Moreover, as we keep talking in all of our videos, the right planning and handy marketing tips can help you to build yourself as an expert in your field. The more time you spend on marketing your shop, the more stable car counts will be attracted to your repair shops, and the customer will be more loyalty to your professionalism and your skill. Alright, my friends, as always, I hope you enjoyed today's video. And don't forget to subscribe, thumbs up, and hit the notification bell. And I will see you very soon next time. Adios!